Join me as I take on the challenge of creating the most amazing DIY fall decor ideas using just what I have at home. Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Fall is here and it's the perfect time to refresh your home with some cozy and inviting decor. Today we're sharing some amazing DIY fall decor ideas that you need to try. From charming centerpieces to festive wreaths, let's get started on bringing the beauty of autumn into your home. There's something so cozy about walking into a home that's been decorated for fall. The warm colors, the inviting textures, the sense of comfort and tranquility that permeates every corner of the room. Fall decor has a way of making us feel like we're wrapped in a big hug, and who doesn't love that? One of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to decorating for fall is the cost. Let's face it, buying new decorations every year can add up quickly, and it's easy to feel like you need to break the bank to get that perfect fall look. But the truth is, you don't have to spend a fortune to get the look you want. With a little bit of creativity and some DIY magic, you can create beautiful fall decorations without breaking the bank. The other challenge people face is time. We're all busy and finding the time to decorate can be tough. But what if I told you that you can create stunning fall decorations in just a few hours, using materials you probably already have at home? It's true. With a little bit of planning and some elbow grease, you can create decorations that will make your friends and family green with envy. So, let's get creative. First up, we're creating a stunning DIY pumpkin centerpiece that will wow your guests at any fall gathering. You'll need mini pumpkins, a shallow bowl or tray, some candles, and faux leaves or greenery for added texture. Start by placing the mini pumpkins in the bowl, arranging them in a way that looks visually appealing. Add candles in between the pumpkins for a warm glow, and finish with faux leaves around the edges for a touch of nature. This centerpiece is not only easy to make but also adds a festive touch to your fall decor. Segment 2. DIY Fall Wreath. Next, let's create a beautiful DIY fall wreath to welcome guests to your home. You'll need a grapevine wreath, faux fall flowers, a ribbon of your choice, and a hot glue gun. Start by arranging the faux flowers on the wreath. Once you're happy with the layout, use the hot glue gun to secure them in place. Add a beautiful ribbon at the top for an extra pop of color. This fall wreath is a lovely way to greet your guests and can be customized to match your home's color scheme. Segment 3. DIY Mason Jar Lanterns. Now let's create some charming DIY mason jar lanterns that are perfect for cozy evenings. You'll need mason jars, battery-operated tea lights, twine, and faux leaves or ribbon for decoration. Place a tea light inside each mason jar, wrap twine around the neck of the jar and tie a bow. For added charm, glue faux leaves to the twine or attach a small tag with a fall-themed message. These lanterns create a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for fall gatherings or quiet evenings at home. Segment 4. DIY Autumn Garland. Next, we'll make a lovely DIY autumn garland to add some seasonal flair to your space. You'll need craft paper in fall colors, scissors, twine, and a hole punch. Cut out leaf or pumpkin shapes from the craft paper. Use the hole punch to make holes at the top of each shape, then thread them onto the twine. Hang your garland on a wall, mantle, or across a doorway. This autumn garland is a simple yet effective way to bring the spirit of fall into your home. Segment 5. DIY Acorn Decor. Finally, let's create some adorable DIY acorn decor that adds a rustic touch to your fall arrangements. You'll need real or faux acorns, paint in autumn colors, and small bowls or trays for display. Paint the acorns in your chosen colors and let them dry. Once dry, arrange them in small bowls or trays as a decorative centerpiece or scatter them around your home for a natural touch. These acorns are a fun and easy way to incorporate nature into your fall decor. So there you have it, guys. 5 DIY fall decor ideas that are sure to inspire you to get creative and make your home a cozy fall haven. Not only are these projects easy on the wallet, but they're also a great way to add a personal touch to your decor and make your home feel truly special. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're feeling inspired to try out some of these DIY projects for yourself. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite idea from the video, or share your own DIY fall decor projects with me. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more creative content and DIY inspiration.